Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to prove that one of the two expressions displayed on the screen is equivalent to 4a squared plus 4x squared. To prove that each expression is equivalent to 4a squared plus 4x squared, I need to simplify it and then see if it equals to 4a squared plus 4x squared. To simplify each expression, I need to follow 4 steps. The first step is to expand a plus x in parentheses squared and a plus x in parentheses squared. Then I need to open parentheses and multiply 2 by each term within the parentheses. As a third step, I need to add each pair of like terms that have the same variable which is raised to the same power. And lastly, I need to compare the simplified expression with 4a squared plus 4x squared. If the simplified expression equals to 4a squared plus 4x squared, then the first expression is equivalent to 4a squared plus 4x squared. Next, I'm going to follow these steps and simplify the first expression. To do that, I'm going to use the formulas for binomial square. First term plus minus second term in parentheses squared equals to first term squared plus minus 2 times first term multiplied by second term plus second term squared. I'm going to apply these formulas to the binomial squares a minus x in parentheses squared and a plus x in parentheses squared, where the term a is the first term and the term x is the second term. When I apply the formulas, I get 2a squared minus 2 times a times x plus x squared minus 2 times a squared plus 2 times a times x plus x squared. And I need to prove or see if this equals to 4a squared plus 4x squared. Next, I need to open parentheses and multiply 2 with each term within the parentheses. When I do that, I get 2a squared minus 4ax plus 2x squared minus 2a squared minus 4ax minus 2x squared. And I need to see if this equals to 4a squared plus 4x squared. Next, I need to add the pairs of like terms. Pair of like term is 2a squared and minus 2a squared. Then I have minus 4ax and minus 4ax. And the last pair is 2x squared and minus 2x squared. 2a squared and minus 2a squared, when added, their sum equals to 0, therefore they cancel out. 2x squared and minus 2x squared also cancel out because their sum equals to 0. Therefore, what I have left is negative 8ax. And I can see that it does not equal to 4a squared plus 4x squared. Therefore, the first expression, 2a minus x in parentheses squared minus 2a plus x in parentheses squared, is not equivalent to 4a squared plus 4x squared. Next, I'm going to follow the same approach to simplify the second expression and see if it's equivalent to 4a squared plus 4x squared. First, I'm going to expand the binomial squares a minus x in parentheses squared and a plus x in parentheses squared by using the formulas for binomial square. When I do that, I get 2a squared minus 2 times a times x plus x squared plus 2 times a squared plus 2 times a times x plus x squared. And I need to see if this expression equals to 4a squared plus 4x squared. Next, I'm going to again open parentheses and simplify further. When I do that, I get 2a squared minus 4ax plus 2x squared plus 2a squared plus 4ax plus 2x squared. And again, I need to see if this equals to 4a squared plus 4x squared. Next, I'm going to add all like terms. 2a and 2a squared, negative 4ax and positive 4ax, then 2x squared and 2x squared. When I do that, 2a squared and 2a squared is 4a squared. Negative 4ax and positive 4ax cancel out because their sum equals to 0. And then I have 2x squared plus 2x squared plus 4x squared. It does equal to 4a squared plus 4x squared. Therefore, the second expression, 2a minus x in parentheses squared plus 2a plus x in parentheses squared is equivalent to 4a squared plus 4x squared. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.